The tech industry struggles with diversity, and hiring the right talent isn't always easy. Tech ladies set out to change that by building a talent network that connects women in tech with companies that value inclusivity. Their challenge? Traditional job platforms lacked insight into candidate preferences, and their first solution wasn't scalable. With Softr, they built a dynamic hiring platform in just a week, without coding. Now candidates create detailed profiles, and companies find the right talent faster. The impact? A thriving talent network that turned tech ladies into a seven-figure business and helped countless women land jobs. Want to build your own hiring platform? Start with Softr today. What's next? Wrapping up our conversation, she mentions their recently launched app version and the continued focus on maximizing its potential. As for Softr, Griffin's testimonial is both concise and profound. Softr allowed us to quickly validate a new idea, build a customer-ready app in a week, and continue building on top of it when it was a hit. It's been a game changer for our business. In the realm of tech, where the road to inclusivity is long and winding, platforms like Tech Ladies, powered by tools like Softr, are not just stepping stones but catalysts for real transformative change.